Welcome back to Witness Richness. It's your man JCP, and as always, I am super excited to be back in front of the camera. All right, so this is a long and overdue video, but this is the first flip. We're actually getting ready to sell it on Thursday, the 28th. So let me just flip this camera over, and here we have it. Right, so on this property we had to put a new roof on it, new gutters, new window trim. We fixed the front porch, just replaced some boards that need to be replaced, painted the exterior, painted the porch, replaced the porch boards. Again, we had to replace some vinyl siding on the exterior, but for the most part just painting. Okay, we did some light landscaping, which is the rocks right by the side here. And then we have been here in a couple weeks, been on the market, so the grass is not cut right now, but we'll have to cut that before we sell it. The back porch, same thing. We just replaced, the boards need to be replaced, painted the deck all up. Again, this is a new roof. I'll get a little shot of the roof in a minute. Some mulch back here. And again, light landscaping, not much to the yard, more focused on the house. Let's get right into it here. All right, we replaced that back door as well. The other one was all beat up. So again, just a lot of paint and replace what we needed to replace. Let's get up in here. All right, so once again, we did the gray walls, white ceiling, new light fixtures. Got it on? Yeah. Nice, nice. That was the maintenance guys down there getting the furnace going. So again, we have a baseboard trim, and we have the laminate flooring all throughout. Again, this flooring is 11 millimeter, so it's pretty thick, solid flooring. New window blinds. These windows are already here and good to place. New baseboard heating throughout. And then here goes the actual space. So if you remember what those stairs looked like before, total night and day. We put a new kickboard back and replaced each stair tread. New lighting fixtures throughout, and then these are the cabinets. If you watched the first video, I literally just walked through Home Depot and picked out this countertop, picked out the appliances, and the sink, the light fixtures. Literally just picked it all up in one shot. Got the size that I needed. We went cheapo depot on this closet door. But again, this house sold. Nice little closet space. Stainless steel appliances. These are laminate countertops as well. They look like they're granite, but they're not. So, you know, decent job here. Again, the purchase price was $75,000. The rehab budget was about $35,000. We went over budget by like $10,000, but the market actually appreciated over the time, so it made up for that difference. Because property is a win. Let me take you upstairs quickly. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. Yo, you guys mind being on the video? You guys mind?
No,
yeah. So so you guys just finished up. Yeah, finished up the boiler downstairs. Appreciate you guys. What do you guys think about the property?
Huh?
What do you guys think about the property?
Great. Nice. Yeah. Came out really nice.
You should have seen it before.
Really?
Yeah. So this was a gut job, if you must. Appreciate you guys. Thank you.
No problem. We're gonna turn it down to $1,000.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. So again, this is a 3-bed, 1-bath. It's a 1-bedroom here. Vinyl, we did a 6-panel door. Again, just all white and gray all throughout. Pretty simple on the paint job. In this house, we actually had to do a lot of sheetrock on the second floor. Okay, so this is the same tub, just refinished it. Tile walls, toilet, sink. Basic stuff. Again, all this stuff came from Home Depot in one shot. Nice thermostats. So these walls before had like graffiti on them or artwork if you must. And cracks on them, so we ended up just going over these walls with new sheetrock. One closet space.
All right, sir.
Thank you very much. Appreciate you guys.
Of course.
Have a good one, man.
You too, brother. Stay safe.
Likewise. So this is a real small bedroom. I mean, this is probably like two, maybe one queen mattress is gonna fit in this whole room, but you know, it's a small space. Again, the house is already sold, so I'm not complaining. Whoever bought the house is very sad for them, right? There was money to be made, and we got it done. So again, check our backyard out. Small. So that's it. You know what's crazy? Is that like I'm actually gonna go back to my office and I'm gonna look at this video and compare it to the first video. Because it's been about 18 months and life has changed, this house has changed, positions, consciousness, so much has changed from that point to now. So I guess like really being in this video, really being in this property right now and doing this video is just the realization of all the change that really occurs. But anyway, we won on this deal big time when total I invested was like 20,000 and we did more than double up. So on my end alone, never mind my partner. So solid deal. You know, I wasn't in here breaking my back to get this job done. It was literally project management skills that I had from my last position, brought it over here. And these specs are some of the same specs that I use on my rental units. So it was really easy to grab these laminate floors and those laminate countertops and find an affordable appliance package that's in stainless steel, but again, affordable and total win. Everything's working. Those maintenance guys just came up here and buttoned everything up from the home inspection. Made sure the water boiler was working, made sure the range was working, made sure the baseboard heating was working. Check the electrical, everything is good. So we buttoned it up. It was a marathon, but you know, after this, I'm ready. You know what, matter of fact, before I leave here, let me take you to the basement. Let me give you a shot of what the real problem was in this basement that held us up before we go. Wow, okay, so yeah, we actually painted the beam. So this beam right here, probably not the best footage, let me see. Yeah, well, this beam right here, okay? This beam is new. And what happened was we had to cut out 10 feet of the old beam while jacking the house up to put in this new beam here. And obviously all the electrical and this plumbing is all new as well, going back over the beam. But just doing that in the proper sequence with the city, pulling the permits and getting everything in place was the holdup. But like I said, we wrapped it up. On to the next one. And that's always my brother, and that's always my sister. I invite you, let's grow together. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.